Welcome to our channel Bright Maths. Let us learn about the addition and subtraction of matrices. First, addition of matrices. Take the two matrices A, B, C, D and E, F, G, H. We want to add these two. The concept is we have to add the corresponding elements. That is, add the first element A plus E. Next, add the second elements. We get B plus F. Next, add the third elements C plus G. Next, add the fourth elements. We get D plus H. Here the important condition is the order should be same. That means these two matrices should be of same order. So this first matrix is of order 2 cross 2, that is 2 rows and 2 columns. Similarly, second matrix also same order, 2 rows and 2 columns. Subtraction of two matrices, same procedure. Take the two matrices A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. When we want to subtract this, we have to subtract the corresponding elements. That is, subtract first elements A minus E. Next, subtract second elements. We get B minus F. Next, subtract the third elements. We get C minus G. Next, subtract the fourth elements. We get D minus H. So the concept is same for addition and subtraction of matrices. The important thing is the order should be same. Let us see the problems. If the matrix A and B are given, then we have to find A plus B. So here the two matrices are given. We have to find A plus B. So A plus B equal to, take and write the two given matrices. First matrix 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 plus second matrix 1, 7, 0, 1, 3, 1, 2, 4, 0. Here note that these two matrices are of same order. The first matrix is of order 3 cross 3, that is 3 rows and 3 columns. Similarly, second matrix also same order 3 cross 3, 3 rows and 3 columns. Therefore, we can add these two matrices. The method is we have to add the corresponding elements. So first add first number 1 plus 1, 2. Add the next number 2 plus 7, 9. Next 3 plus 0, 3. So take the first row, add with first row corresponding elements. Next, take the second row and add with second row corresponding elements. That is 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. 6 plus 1, 7. Next, take third row and add with third row corresponding elements. 7 plus 2, 9. 8 plus 4, 12. 9 plus 0, 9. So therefore, A plus B answer is 2, 9, 3, 5, 8, 7, 9, 12, 9. Next problem, A, B two matrices are given. Then we have to find 2A plus B. Here also the two matrices are of same order. So the order of matrix A is 3 cross 3, 3 rows, 3 columns. Similarly, order of B is 3 cross 3, 3 rows, 3 columns. So we can add these two. Here the question is 2A plus B. So 2 into A matrix 7, 8, 6, 1, 3, 9, minus 4, 3, minus 1 plus B matrix 4, 11, minus 3, minus 1, 2, 4, 7, 5, 0. Here in the first term, 2 is multiplied with this matrix. So if any number is outside, then we can multiply that number inside all the numbers. So multiply 2 inside the matrix. 2 into 7, 14. 2 into 8, 16. 2 into 6, 12. 2 into 1, 2. 2 into 3, 6. 2 into 9, 18. 2 into minus 4, minus 8. 2 into 3, 6. 2 into minus 1, minus 2. Plus second matrix same, 4, 11, minus 3, minus 1, 2, 4, 7, 5, 0. Now we have to add these two matrices. So we have to add the corresponding elements. Take first row and add with first row elements. 14 plus 4, 18. 16 plus 11, 27. 12 minus 3, 9. Next take second row and add with second row elements. 2 minus 1, 1. 6 plus 2, 8. 18 plus 4, 22. Next take third row and add with third row elements. Minus 8 plus 7, that is minus 1. 6 plus 5, 11. Minus 2 plus 0, minus 2. So therefore the final answer is 18, 27, 9, 1, 8, 22, minus 1, 11, minus 2. Next problem, A, B, two matrices are given. Find the value of first one B minus 5A. Second 3A minus 9B. Here the matrices are of same order. Order of A is 2 cross 3, 2 rows and 3 columns. Similarly, order of B also 2 rows, 3 columns. So therefore we can add or we can subtract the matrices. So first equation B minus 5A. Take and write B matrix 7, 3, 8, 1, 4, 9 minus 5 into A matrix 0, 4, 9, 8, 3, 7. Next step, this 5 multiply inside. So any number is outside, we can multiply that inside. So 5 multiply inside, 5 into 0, 0. 5 into 4, 20. 5 into 9, 45. 5 into 8, 40. 5 into 3, 15. 5 into 7, 35. Now we have to subtract these two matrices. We have to subtract the corresponding elements. Take first row and subtract the first row corresponding elements. 7 minus 0, 7. 3 minus 20, minus 17. 8 minus 45, minus 37. 1 minus 40, minus 39. 4 minus 15, minus 11. 9 minus 35, minus 26. So the answer is 7 minus 17 minus 37 minus 39 minus 11 minus 26. Next second question, 3A minus 9B. 3 into A matrix 0, 4, 9, 8, 3, 7 minus 9 into B matrix 7, 3, 8, 1, 4, 9. Next step, this 3 multiply inside. 3 into 0, 0, 3 into 4, 12, 3 into 9, 27, 3 into 8, 24, 3 3s are 9, 3 7s are 21. Next, this 9 multiply inside. 9 into 7, 63, 9 into 3, 27, 9 into 8, 72, 9 into 1, 9, 9 into 4, 36, 9 into 9, 81. Now we have to subtract these two. So take first row and subtract the first row elements. 0 minus 63 minus 63. 12 minus 27 minus 15. 27 minus 72 minus 45. Next take second row and subtract the second row elements. 24 minus 9, 15. 9 minus 36 minus 27. 21 minus 81 minus 60. So therefore the answer is minus 63 minus 15 minus 45, 15 minus 27 minus 60. Next problem, three matrices are given. Then we have to verify A plus within bracket B plus C equal to within bracket A plus B plus C. Here all the three matrices are of same order. So therefore we can add all the matrices. First let us find the left hand side. Take this bracket first, that is B plus C. So take and write B matrix plus C matrix. We have to add corresponding elements. So adding first row, 2 plus 8, 10. Next 3 plus 3, 6. Next 4 plus 4, 8. Next we have to add second row elements. 1 plus 1, 2. 9 minus 2, 7. 2 plus 3, 5. Next we have to add third row numbers. Minus 7 plus 2 minus 5. 1 plus 4, 5. Minus 1 minus 1 minus 2. So this is B plus C. Now left hand side is A plus bracket B plus C. So that means take and write A matrix. This is A matrix plus B plus C matrix. So just now we got this B plus C matrix. So take and write that matrix. Now we have to add these two. And addition, same concept. Take first row and add first row numbers. 4 plus 10, 14. 3 plus 6, 9. 1 plus 8, 9. Next take second row and add second row numbers. 2 plus 2, 4. 3 plus 7, 10. Minus 8 plus 5 minus 3. Take third row and add third row numbers. 1 minus 5 minus 4. 0 plus 5, 5. Minus 4 minus 2 minus 6. This is left hand side answer. So take it as equation 1. Next let us find the right hand side. Right hand side, take the bracket first. That is A plus B. So take and write A matrix plus B matrix. Now adding these two matrices, add the first row. 4 plus 2, 6. 3 plus 3, 6. 1 plus 4, 5. Next add the second row numbers. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 9, 12. Minus 8 plus 2 minus 6. Next add the third row numbers. 1 minus 7 minus 6. 0 plus 1, 1. Minus 4 minus 1 minus 5. So this is A plus B. Now take the full right hand side. That is A plus B plus C. We have A plus B matrix. So take and write that matrix plus C matrix. So this is C matrix. Now we have to add these two. Add the first row and first row numbers. 6 plus 8, 14. Next is 6 plus 3, 9. 5 plus 4, 9. Next take second row and add second row numbers. 3 plus 1 4, 12 minus 2 10, minus 6 plus 3 minus 3. Next take third row and add third row numbers. Minus 6 plus 2 minus 4, 1 plus 4 5, minus 5 minus 1 minus 6. So take the right hand side answer 2. Now see the answers 1 and 2. They are exactly same. See the answers 14, 9, 9, 4, 10, minus 3, minus 4, 5, minus 6. Here also right hand side we have the same answer. So therefore from 1 and 2, A plus within bracket B plus C equal to bracket A plus B plus C. Thanks for watching.